guys, this is Unicorn Rider 3456 here, and today I will be showing you how to draw a wolf the way I know. And I'm not going to do like a tutorial like this, do this, do that, do that. I'm just gonna draw one. I might do a tutorial, but I can't because I don't have a cameraman to just go like this to the paper. So yeah, I can't like do like a line here, like there. I had to hold the paper down. Okay, so enough chit chat. Let's begin. Well, I'm beginning. I need the frontal room here. Nice side view. I need like the base so I can lean over. Sorry, there's a bunch of crap in my room. Okay, and I'm going to be starting. Go. Like that. Just erase that little line right there. Fix it. Sorry for being silent. I'm trying to make this not that boring, but you know, that's how some people just like to draw. Not gonna color it. Don't worry, this is part of it. Part of the process. Sorry if my hand's in the big camera. Right over there. You probably see me. Hello. There we go. This part. Okay. Alright guys, I'm almost done. Now this is the hard part, the eye. If I can nail this. Oh my god, I totally nailed it. Make that part big. And that would be the eye color. You know how like dogs and animals have a bunch of black in their eye? Yeah, that's why that's a big area. I had to say this isn't my best wolf, but it's something. Right, what's it missing? Right, I know what it's missing. Anything else I'm missing? I think we're just missing one detail. Actually, I think that's good. But we are missing a detail. go. Hold on. This is a part that I never really added in my times of drawing a wolf, but this time I have included it. Don't do a circle because then it won't look realistic. I never really add the whiskers, but I'm doing it this time because I know how to do it. That looks pretty good. It looks kind of weird, but wolves do have whiskers. Okay, and I think we're done. Okay, so this is what I drew. This is the wolf that I have completed. And this is the wolf that I have drawn once. Too much information on all that. So yeah, thanks for watching, thanks for commenting, and thanks for subscribing and liking. And please leave a comment on what you think about my wolf. In the next episode, I might do a tutorial, or I will draw a unicorn, because I know how to do that. See you next episode. Bye. Okay.